Hello, Janice here. Today we're going to learn how to make a boat-shaped face mask. So they fit really well and yep, let's just start. So first of all, this is a piece of square fabric and then this is for guys. So 10 inches, 14 inches. And the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna sew down probably 3 inches, leave the opening, and then continue on the rest of the fabric. And I iron on the fusible interfacing already, and then if you don't have a serger, you can use zigzag stitch. That will work as well. So let's go. So once you're done, it looks like this. So now we're gonna fold it. So probably 1/3 from the bottom. And if your fabric is like vertical print, then you're gonna make sure the front side is right side up, okay? So now I fold it this way. Then fold again. Like this. Then I'm gonna make a marking. The bottom is 1/2 inch away. And vertically is 1.25 inches. Then you're just gonna cut this triangle off. Just look like this now. Then you're gonna sew the V together. There we go. Then I'm gonna cut a little slit. Don't cut the line, but just a little slit. Then you get the shape. Okay. Now I like to clip them temporarily. And I just use this cheap paper clip. And also, I don't have any elastic left, so I just use a hairband. And these are from dollar store. Just get the flat one, don't get the round one. Round one is impossible to sew. Just get the flat one. And we will need 4 for each mask. And that's the reason why I do 10 inches, because the body needs to be longer because the elastic is short. So you can make your own adjustment, whatever gonna work. And cut in the middle where they glue this together. Then just go to the corner. Put it right there. And click. It doesn't go away, you clip it. Okay, so you're gonna sew down straight line, not fancy at all. 2 straight lines, and I like to open the seam so it's not bulky. Then the next thing we're gonna do is turn the stain right side out. Okay, this is what it looks like when you turn it right side out, and then I'm gonna go iron it so it will be sharp, easier to work with. Okay, so iron it so it's more crisp now. Next thing is I'm gonna sew one line, straight line, very close to the edge. Okay, and this side too. Okay, next thing we're gonna fold it down. So depending on how big your nose is, usually I just fold it down 1 inch. And this side probably just 3/4 of an inch. And then sew down straight line. Remember to catch all the layers. So 2 straight lines. Then the last thing you need to do is tie the hairband together. So you can be creative with this part because the material is so hard to find now. You can also use shoelace instead of elastic. Or whatever you can get your hand on. So, voila! Boat-shaped mask. And again, because I don't have enough elastic, so I make the body part longer. So feel free to do your own adjustment. And yeah, they are easy to make, and wish you have fun making this for your family, your friends. So far I make about 120, I think. And stay safe and just be creative. Bye.